Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mahboob Noor Education Site. Dears, do you know what is parts of speech? Parts of speech, it is a very important topic in our English grammar. Viewers, if you not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you all can easily get updates of my channel. As I asked you one question, what is parts of speech? Parts of speech is nothing but all the English are divided into 8 groups according to their works they do in a sentence or else in a group or called as a parts of speech. If we say in a simple language, we can easily get the meaning of that from this name only, parts of speech. Speech is nothing but the collection of sentences which we are speaking. And in one sentence, we will get different types of parts. So, totally, we will get what is parts of speech. When we are speaking the sentences, in that only, we can easily get to know the different types of parts of speech. It is nothing but a parts of speech. First, we will learn how many parts are there in a speech. There are 8 parts of speech are there. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. First we will move on to the first parts of speech is nothing but noun. Noun is a name of a person, thing, an animal, place or an idea. Naming to a person. Examples are Ajay, Varun, Suhana, America, India, chair, table, house, pen. Many things are there, many names are there, we can say. To these examples, we will go through from the sentences. Ajay is eating an apple. First example. In this sentence, Ajay, which is the name of a person who is eating an apple. Apple is a thing. The thing name is apple. So, the name of the person and the name of the thing have been come. Next is, India is a colorful country. Or India, which is a colorful country. India, it is a name of a place. And country is also name, one of the name. Next is the second one, pronoun. What is pronoun? Pronoun is nothing but the word which is using instead of noun. And the pronoun is using to avoid the repetition of noun. Examples are I, you, it, we, them, those, are, us, etc. For example, we will move on to the sentences. This is a chair. It is red. It is here. The word which is avoiding the repetition is nothing but as a pronoun. Next example is Ramu is a good boy. He is studying well. Ramu is a noun who is a good boy. He came here in this sentence. He is the word of pronoun which is using instead of noun to avoid a repetition. We are using a word is called as a pronoun. Next, an adjective. The third one is adjective. What is adjective is? Adjective is nothing but a word which are describes to the noun or pronoun. The words which are describing to the noun or pronoun. For example, girl has a pink bag. Bag is here a noun. To that noun, the adjective word is modifying or describing to the noun. So the pink bag is nothing but the pink. We can easily get to know the bag is in pink color. If I may say only bag, we don't know which color bag is that. If I particularly saying the pink color or red color, if I say like this, we can easily get to know the bag is in pink color. Next, from the adjective words, we will get additional information. The word which is giving extra information about noun or pronoun is an adjective. Okay, next move on. The fourth one is verb. The verb is nothing but the words which is showing an action. The action words which is showing the particular person is doing the action, etc. Example are run, eat, walk, listen, drink. Actions, related words is nothing but a verb. These are all the words which are related to the action is called as a verb. For example, Sita is reading a storybook. Sita is a name of a noun who is reading a storybook. Storybook is also one of the name of the thing. Here which word is doing action here? The reading is doing action. Sita is reading a storybook. The action word is reading here. So it is a action word, nothing but a verb. Varun is jumping. Varun is a name of a person. So it is a noun. Jumping is an action verb. So the jumping, it is nothing but a verb. Next, adverb. What is adverb? Adverb is nothing but describing or modifying to a verb. How adjective is describing to noun or pronoun? Here also adverb is describing or modifying to a verb. Examples are she sung beautifully. We know that one of the girls, she is singing. She sung already very beautifully. Here beautifully word, it is describing to the verb. She already sung. How she sung, we don't know. The beautifully word is describing that particular girl. She sung very beautifully. One more tip is here. Except noun or pronoun, if any other word giving any extra information called adverb. And one more tip I want to share with you. The ly words, in some few words we are using ly. For example, here in this sentence only I said beautifully. Ly word are nothing but an adverb words. Next, move on to the preposition. Preposition words are showing the position. For example, the words of prepositions are at, on, in, from, with, about, over, between, among, behind, etc. We will use these words in a sentence. The boy is standing behind the tree. One of the boy who is standing behind the tree. In this sentence, behind is nothing but a preposition word. We are getting to know the position of a boy. The boy is standing behind the tree. Behind is showing the position of a boy that he is standing behind the tree. One more example is dustbin is under the table. In this sentence, dustbin, it is the name of the thing, is a helping verb. Under it is a preposition word which is showing that dustbin is under the table. We can easily understand that dustbin is under the table. Next, the seventh one is conjunction. Conjunction means the words which is joining to two sentences, two words, two phrases or two ideas. It is nothing but the words which are joining, which are using to join the two sentences, words, phrases or an ideas. Examples are, words of conjunctions are and, or, but, because, still, etc. We will learn from the sentences now. Neha and Neema are sisters. Neha, it is also a word of noun, and Neema is also a word of noun which is joining to each other with the help of conjunction word. Neema and Neema are sisters, and is here nothing but a word of conjunction. Next, one more example. Sheila got first rank in her exams because she worked hard. Here two sentences are there. Sheila got first rank in her exams, and one more sentence is she worked hard. These two sentences are joining upon one conjunction word, that is nothing but because. Sheila got first rank in her exams because she worked hard. Next is interjection. The words which are expresses a strong emotion. Examples of interjection are wow, hey, ouch, hooray. These are all the words which we are using for interjection words. Interjection words are with exclamatory mark. After interjection means after wow, we have to use an exclamatory mark. Wow, I got 90% marks. It is showing the expressions of a student, that the particular student got 90% marks in her exam, in her or his examination. Wow, it's showing the feelings, the expressions of or emotions of a person. So viewers, in this video we already learned about the parts of speech. If you like my video, please press the thumbnail, and if you have any doubt, comment me in my comment box. Thank you everyone.